Mamelodi Sundowns stalwart Grant Kekana believes their participation in the newly revamped FIFA Club World Cup has prepared them for even greater heights in the upcoming season. The Tshwane Giants were among 32 elite teams that competed in the prestigious global tournament held at the United States, a historic moment for both the club and the South African football. Although Sundowns exited in the group stage, their spirited performances against top-tier sides such as South Korea's Elton Hande, Germany's Borussia Dortmund, and Brazil's Fluminense turned heads and won respect. Kekana, who featured in all three fixtures, described the experience as a defining moment in his career and a valuable opportunity for growth for the entire squad. And said playing at the Club World Cup was massive. It was a dream come true to face some of the best players and teams in the world. Speaking on Sunday World, at the launch of his upcoming Grant Kekana Foundation Golf Tournament, scheduled for October 31, said as a team, we've gained so much from that experience. It's something we want to take into the new season and use to elevate our game. Despite their early exit, Sundowns are widely praised for their tactical discipline and enduring style of play, hallmarks of the dominance that saw them claim the Betway Premiership title yet again. Kekana said there's no doubt we have the talent, we just need to sharpen our efficiency and we'll be right up there with the best. Kekana's contributions last season have not gone unnoticed. He has been nominated for the coveted Defender of the Season award, an honor he describes as both humbling and reflecting of collective strength of the Sundowns setup. And said being nominated is exciting, but more than anything it's humbling. It's not just about me, it's a reflection of the team. I'm just a representation of the work we've put in. If I do win, it will be the cherry on top. With the off-season now behind them, Sundowns resumed training on Monday as they prepare for a packed schedule. Their first competitive fixture will see them square off against Richards Bay in the MTN 8 quarterfinals next Sunday at Lucas Barreba Stadium. Before that, the Brazilian will fine-tune their preparations with a behind-closed-doors friendly against Eswatini Nsingisi Hotspurs at the Royal Marang Hotel in Rustenburg on Sunday. As Sundowns look to build on their continental and domestic dominance, Kekana's confidence signals a squad that's not just rested but recharged and ready. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.